Primer is generally not used on underground electrical polyvinyl chloride. Reasons for this include: firstly, primer can weaken the polyvinyl chloride pipe. Primer is a solvent that softens the surface of the pipe to improve adhesion. However, prolonged exposure to primer can compromise the structural integrity of the pipe over time. Secondly, underground conditions are different. Underground conditions are typically wet and dark, which can interfere with the proper drying and bonding of primer. Thirdly, polyvinyl chloride glue is sufficient. Polyvinyl chloride glue, also known as polyvinyl chloride solvent cement, is specifically formulated to bond polyvinyl chloride pipes without the need for primer. It creates a chemical bond between the pipe and fittings, resulting in a strong, leak-free joint. However, there are exceptions. In certain cases, primer may be used on underground electrical polyvinyl chloride. These cases include: firstly, for large diameter pipes. Primer can help ensure proper adhesion of polyvinyl chloride glue on large diameter pipes, typically over 6 inches in diameter. Secondly, in high humidity environments. Primer can help overcome moisture issues in exceptionally humid underground conditions. Thirdly, when using specific types of polyvinyl chloride glue. Some specialized polyvinyl chloride glues require the use of primer. If primer is used, it is crucial to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Allow the primer to dry completely before applying polyvinyl chloride glue. Use the appropriate type of primer for the polyvinyl chloride pipe and glue being used. In conclusion, while primer is not typically used on underground electrical polyvinyl chloride, it may be beneficial in certain specific circumstances. Consult with a qualified electrician or the manufacturer for guidance on whether primer is necessary in your application.